So today we are preparing shukta, a Bengali dish. This can be had with rice or rotis. So it's a very different type of dish where we include many vegetables. So here I have taken two karelas, one kacha kela, that is raw banana, one radish, and two small sized brinjal, that is a purple brinjal, and a small piece of yam or Amorphophallus, and there is a small piece of ginger. This needs to be crushed, and here we have 1 teaspoon of mustard and half a teaspoon of khaskhas or poppy seeds. This needs to be soaked for half an hour, so I am putting some water and allowing it to soak. This needs to be ground and made into fine paste. So now we will cut all these vegetables in long pieces like the French fries, about 2 inches long. So I have cut here the yam or suran, then karelas, then this is kacha kela, this is radish, and this is purple brinjal. I've soaked this mustard seeds, and this is the crushed ginger. So here usually the Bengalis take potatoes more, and it is okay for them, but others may not prefer potatoes as it causes gastric. So I have not taken potatoes, and also they add raw papaya. Since raw papayas also are very heat to the body, I have not taken the papaya, and also they add drumstick. So it is optional. If you want, you can add these three vegetables. So now we have to fry the karela and brinjal pieces in oil, and we are cooking radish, yam, and kacha kela in water. Then we are mixing these two sets of vegetables. So I have taken raw banana, yam, and radish together, and I have taken only sufficient water for them to cook. Also the oil is kept for heating to fry brinjal and karela. So just frying this brinjal, just shallow fry. Frying the karela, bitter gourd. Includes mustard, somph, methi, jeera, and the nigella seeds, or the huccellu, which we call in Kannada. So now I am adding these also. I have added the mustard and poppy seed paste. If it doesn't come in the form of a paste while you grind, you can add quarter cup of coconut gratings also. So I have added the coconut gratings, and I have ground it into a fine paste. I have added that now. Now I have added the vegetables which were cooked in water. After stirring and mixing this with the gravy, I will be adding karela and brinjal which were fried. I have added some more water, the water which was allowed for the vegetables to cook. So I have added that water, and now allow this to cook for some more time. So this is completely done now. All the vegetables are cooked. This is a very famous dish in Bengal and Orissa. Orissa people don't add milk or curd to this, but in Bengal they add a mixture of milk and teaspoon of maida, to this. So that is optional. So this is a very healthy dish for those who don't eat Karela. Even for the children also, they can eat when it is made into this gravy. It tastes very yummy, and it is healthy, delicious and nutritious, as it doesn't contain much of oil. It is also good for health. It doesn't cause any weight gain, or the calories need not be counted here. Add salt to taste, about 1.5 teaspoon of salt, and now it is cooking. It's a favorite of Lord Jagannath, Shukta Shakadi Bhaji. It comes in an offering aarti called a Bhogarti. So it's a wonderful dish. Try this yummy dish and give your comments below. Thank you.